Big move. Big potential. BOQII just executed a bold restructuring and a fresh NYSE American listing that has traders and long-term investors talking. If you love fast-paced market momentum and transformational corporate moves, you'll want to stay locked in. This is not noise. This is a company repositioning itself for renewed investor attention and exciting next steps. BOQII Holding Limited is one of China's leading online pet platforms. Think e-commerce, community and pet care services all rolled into one. The company connects millions of pet owners with products, services and tech-enabled solutions. Over the last few years, BOQII has built scale in a growing vertical, pet care. Demand in that space is resilient. Consumers keep spending on pets. BOQII's brand recognition and marketplace reach make it a standout in the sector. The ticker on US markets is BOQII, and after recent corporate actions, the story just got a lot more compelling. There are three big updates driving excitement right now. First, BOQII completed a 1-for-160 reverse split and finalized a substitution listing to convert its ADRs into direct NYSE American shares. Media outlets from Yahoo Finance to Investing.com and Stock Titan covered the move. That transition modernizes the company's US presence and clears the way for a simplified share structure and renewed attention from US traders and funds. Second, BOQII filed its Form 20F and released its 2025 annual report, giving investors a clear, up-to-date look at the company's financials and strategic progress. Public annual reporting and regulatory compliance strengthen visibility and investor confidence. Stock Titan highlighted the annual report and provided key financial insights that many investors are passing right now. Third, coverage across financial sites emphasized BOQII's positioning as China's top pet platform. Reports point to healthy top-line traction in pet e-commerce and service expansion, a narrative that resonates with growth investors seeking niche market leaders. Collectively, these news items create a powerful, positive momentum shift. Now let's talk about why the future looks bright for BOQII. First, the pet economy in China continues to expand rapidly. Pet ownership rates and per-pet spending are trending upward. That tailwind flows directly to BOQII's marketplace and services. Second, the NYSE American listing and streamlined share structure boost accessibility. Easier access can lead to broader institutional coverage and more retail visibility. Third, the company's renewed transparency with the Form 20F and annual report invites deeper analysis. That's the signal investors and analysts want. Fourth, BOQII is more than a transactional marketplace. It blends community, curated products, and services, a sticky mix that drives repeat purchase and higher lifetime value. Finally, the combination of brand recognition and operational scale positions BOQII to capture accelerated revenue growth as online pet spend continues to migrate from fragmented offline channels to integrated digital platforms. Why are investors excited? Simple. These moves create optionality. The reverse split and direct NYSE American listing sharpen the stock's profile. The annual report provides a fresh data set to model growth. The underlying market is expanding. Put it all together and you have a company repositioned for renewed investor interest and growth-focused capital flows. For momentum investors, BOQII now sits on a story of structural clarity and market access. For long-term investors, BOQII's platform advantages and China pet market tailwinds offer multi-year potential. Expect increased coverage, more frequent analyst checks, and higher visibility in retail channels. Those dynamics are exactly what can propel an emerging growth name from quiet to noticed. This is a pivotal moment for BOQII Holding Limited. The company has finished a decisive corporate reshaping. It has refreshed its US listing status, and it has furnished investors with recent annual reporting. The ingredients for renewed market interest are all here. If you want to stay ahead of the next chapter, subscribe for weekly updates. Hit the bell. We'll track BOQII's volume spikes, news flow, and earnings beats as they happen. This story is moving, and smart investors follow momentum plus fundamentals. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.